Hi everyone, today we're just going to be focusing on a tree for an event for a 40th. So we'll be using magnolia sticks and then we'll be attaching orchids and a little bit of baby's breath just to hide the vials because they want it to last. So everything's in a vial so we can keep fresh. So let's get into the video, see how we go. So far it's going really well. We're just tightening up all the wires that we're using, trying to make it a bit more cleaner, just so you can't see anything sticking out, but it looks really nice when you're under it. And it'll be sitting on a table, so it'll look really good, nice and magical, and especially like a blossom tree. I've just been working on a few different styles and playing with color, sort of just choosing what appeals to me and then making it into a nice bouquet. These are all considered, I guess, florist choice. Market day means we always have to do prep work, and pretty much we do prep work the whole week, every day, every minute. So just so it makes it easier for when we're arranging for customers, and also it looks really nice in the shop, just in clean vases, everything's nicely cleaned. so it all looks really attractive. We don't want really anything in plastic because it just makes everything look a bit duller. So let's get to it. I have so many ideas for our winter collection, so it changes weekly just with the flowers that we can get. So it's always changing and evolving, but we still have set ideas and we sort of create them with the flowers that we're able to get at the market. So we decided on our winter bouquet arrangement 70 collection. We're aiming to blend of elegance and coziness. We're going to use a variety of rich, deep tones like burgundy, deep purples, and then we're going to bring in our colourful side, oranges, a bit of yellow if we can find it, lots of pink, and then always white. We have some orders filled, but I always set a dedicated time where I can practice and sort of play around and see what I can come up with. Create arrangements in various sizes, but for this winter collection 70, focus sort of on smaller size bouquets and just arranged in a way that it makes it look larger and bigger. And there you have it. Thank you for joining us and having a look at our Winter 70 collection and sort of the ideas that come to us as we're creating things. So hope you enjoyed just a little video. Like and subscribe if you enjoy our little content. And Winter Bouquet 70, and we hope that each bouquet tells a story and that you all enjoy it, the little moments that they all have. So thank you.